The salmon teriyaki is so full of flavor, ready in 15 minutes, and all you need is your air fryer. It's perfectly glazed, tender and flaky, and actually healthy. Let me show you how to make it. Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com. For this easy recipe, all we need is salmon. Here I have 1 pound, 2 fillets. We need minced garlic. This is 3 cloves of garlic, honey, soy sauce, vinegar, and olive oil. And first I'm going to mix the marinade. So I have a little bowl and I'm going to add the ingredients for the marinade. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of all the liquids. So 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. And I'm going to add garlic and just mix everything until combined, and pour the marinade over the salmon and toss to coat to make sure the salmon is coated with the marinade. And now you can marinate it on the counter for 20 minutes, or you can marinate it in the fridge for up to 2 hours. After the salmon marinated long enough to your liking, let's cook it. So all you need to do is take out the air fryer basket and put the salmon in the air fryer in a single layer. And whatever extra marinade, I'll just carefully just put it on the top, but don't make it pour down through the holes. Perfect. And now let's put it in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at the salmon. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now the cooking time depends on how thick the fillets are, so I do recommend using instant read thermometer to make sure the internal temperature of the salmon is at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's under the temperature, just cook it for a few minutes more, but mine is perfect. It's totally cooked. So now let's remove salmon carefully from the air fryer with a spatula. Perfect. Look at this beautiful salmon. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. See, it's perfectly cooked, flakes so easily with a fork. It's so delicious, so juicy and moist, and so full of flavor. You can really taste this marinade. It's a perfect combination of salty soy sauce, sweet honey, acidic vinegar. So good. Those flavors combine together so well, and the garlic infuses this special deep flavor. You will love the salmon. So easy to make in the air fryer. Please give it a try. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!